In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find Display. Then scroll down until you find Edge Panels, so tap on that, and then make sure it is turned on so that you can access your Edge Panels. And once it's turned on, select Panels. And here, you should see a list of all panels you can add. So you can add live messages, people, tasks, weather. But the option we're looking for is tools. So tap on that, and then you have the option to edit. Here, you can have it use location data or have it just use the compass without location data. So tap on it if you want to use your location, and then go back and then go to the home screen. Now access Edge Panels, and then once you've opened the Apps panel, swipe again to open the Compass panel. And you'll notice that whenever you move your screen, the compass moves with you. If you feel as if your compass isn't pointing in the right direction, you have the option to calibrate and then move your screen around so that it can get a better estimation. Once you've done that, you'll also notice that you're provided with a longitude and latitude. So that's what the location services is doing. It's providing you with a longitude and latitude. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.